In this video, I'm going to talk you through the process for backing up your iPhone. There are two reasons you might want to do this, either as just a routine backup, or if you've received a new iPhone and want to be able to transfer all your data from your current iPhone to your new one. Here's what you'll need to get your iPhone backed up. Your iPhone, a lightning to USB cable, the charger cable, your L'Oreal HP laptop, and your laptop charger. You don't want your laptop to run out of battery halfway through, as this could corrupt the backup. You'll also need to have enough free space on your laptop storage. If you have 50 GB of files on your iPhone, your laptop needs to have at least 55 to 60 GB of free space. The process can take up to an hour, and you can't disconnect your iPhone during the backup, so make sure you do this at a time when you won't need to disconnect your phone or take it away from your desk. First, you need to download iTunes onto your L'Oreal laptop. To do this, click on the search bar and search for Software Center. In the search bar up here, type in iTunes and press search. Click on iTunes and click install. This process can take a while, up to an hour in some cases, so be patient and just leave it running in the background. You'll know it's finished installing when you see uninstall in the Software Center. Open the Start menu and look for iTunes in your list of apps. Agree to the T&Cs, open iTunes and connect your iPhone to the laptop with the charging cable. You'll see a pop-up asking you to allow access to the phone. Click yes and then unlock your iPhone, tap Trust and enter your passcode. Before we move on to the next step, let's check that you have enough storage space on your laptop. Unlock your iPhone, go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. You can see here that I have 100 GB of data on this iPhone. If I open Files and then go to this PC, I can see that my laptop has 140 GB of free space, so more than enough to hold my backup. Go back into iTunes and you'll see an icon appear at the top, which shows that an iPhone has been connected. Click this icon and then choose Backup Now. If this is the first time you've backed up this iPhone, you'll need to set a password to protect your backup. This is a L'Oreal requirement which encrypts the data so that your data can't be accessed without the password. Click Encrypt Backup and enter a password, then confirm it in the second box. Write this password down somewhere safe because you will need it to get your data onto your new iPhone during your one-to-one call with IT services. I can't stress enough how important this point is. If you get another new iPhone in 5 years and you want to transfer your data from this new one onto that one, you'll need this same password again to do so. So keep it safe. Depending how many files are on your iPhone, it might take up to an hour to complete the backup. Do not disconnect your iPhone during the process. Just wait until the blue progress bar at the top of iTunes has disappeared. You'll know that the backup is complete when you see some text underneath the Backup Now button. For example, on mine it says, latest backup, today at 1:56 PM to this computer. This tells me that I now have a complete backup stored on my laptop. Once the backup is complete, click the eject icon here and disconnect your phone from the laptop. You're now ready to migrate all of your data to your new iPhone. Please keep in mind that if you do your backup today at 2 PM, but you don't have your handover call with IT services until 3 days from now, you might lose any data from those 3 days in between. So we recommend doing your backup the night before your handover call so that you don't lose too much data. We hope this tutorial was helpful, and we hope that you enjoy using your new iPhone.